Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by today. I am participating in a collab hosted by Denise Jordan. Her channel name is This and That with Denise Jordan, and I will link her channel below as well as the playlist. This collab is the Fall Kitchen Vignette. I'd like to thank my subscribers first of all before we get started for your continued support, and if you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you join. So let's get right to my DIY today. So I'm starting out with this wood box that I've had on hand for a while. I'm using 2 of the Dollar Tree candlesticks, and I'm just placing these 2 glass candle holders on top. I'm not going to hot glue them or anything because I know I'm going to take this apart later. In the middle, it's just a little planter I had with some foam in it, and I've placed assorted Dollar Tree florals and picks inside of that. And now I'm just laying some greenery around. I will add a hay bale, an owl, some pumpkins, and just various decor, so I'll just let you watch what I come up with. And here I've decided to remove the picks. I'm going to place my owl on top of the hay bale, and then I will be moving a few other things around. I am placing real candles in these candle holders, but I would suggest probably the LED candles just as a safety precaution. And this is a little magnet that I picked up at Dollar Tree. I'm going to use this as my words. And it says, "Kitchen is the heart of the home." So here it is, guys. I think it turned out really cute, and thanks Denise for hosting this collab again. I always enjoy participating in your collabs with these vignettes. It's so much fun and it brings so much decor to the home. I am so ready for fall. This was just perfect to do. I will show you this with the candles lit in just a few moments. But first, I would like to thank my subscribers for continuing to show your support. And if you're not a subscriber and you're watching, I'd love to have you join my family. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for upcoming videos. So here we go, guys, with the candles lit. You can tell that the candles are lit, but it is daylight outside, so you're not going to get the full effect, but I'm sure this will be very pretty at night. And once again, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.